down the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school.
Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the Nike Air Max 1 Animal Pack 2.0.
I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Castle, Lil Razor Nail, but and if it lasts every year, Rock Kim was the shit to me. I flip to see a Ducky Fresh show.
So we'll start with the upper on these, and then we'll move on to the other stuff like the on-foot video, all that good shit. So the upper consists of this pony hair all on the upper with the different prints being worked into it. So we've got zebra print around the ankle lining, and then we've got leopard on the back, and then that same leopard follows around onto the toe box. We've got this black on the toe as well, which is contrasting from the original, which was, I think it was white or cream. So we've got black, I think it's black bear or something like that. And we've got tiger on the side, just slotting behind that red swoosh, which is in a felt sort of material. And we have this cattle print on the tongue, which is also in this pony hair. And we got Nike Air on the tongue, Nike Air embroidered in green on the back. Yeah, and then we've got white midsole, keeping it basic. And then in the air bubble, we've got green detailing there, finished off with a gum outsole. You can see that. Then I did a little lace swap on mine, and I switched them out for these off-white cream sort of laces there. And that's that for these. Details wise, these are pretty nice. I think there were a few quality control issues with a few pairs that I did see dotted around on social media and stuff, but luckily my pair seems to be all good. I think the main issue was the alignment of the stitching on the Nike Air on the back. I think some people got a few pairs of wonky stitching there. If you do wear them a lot, you can see the pony hair will start coming away. Like, I think there's a few parts of mine where it started to just come away from the shoe a little bit. I reckon it's going to be one of those shoes you have to wear every now and then to make them last a bit longer. If you're into your Air Max 1s, you need to throw these in your collections. So the box comes with a few sets of laces. So it comes with white, green and red, and then the pair itself comes with a set of black laces in there. So I think the pairs that released in Japan exclusively to Atmos did get an animal print on the box, but I'm not sure. I think that might have been the case. Then all the other pairs just got this standard black box. I'm not complaining. One of my favourite pairs to release this year, they came out earlier this year, close to Air Max Day. I think it was start of March, something like that. I did not manage to get these for retail. I did have to pay a resale price, which always sucks, but yeah, I had to pay $250 for these, but I think retail price was $130, something along those lines. Fitting wise, they did fit a little bit big. I did get a UK 8 at first, then I had to sell those on and get a UK 7.5. 7.5 fits a lot better, so can go half size down if you want to. Fits good with me, so that's that for these. I think it's good that Nike are giving a chance to the people that never got to own original pairs. So anyone that missed out on the original pairs, like 2007 1.0 version of these, you get another chance essentially to own this pair. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Like this video, drop a comment, let us know what you think. And give me a follow on Instagram. I'll have a few on-foot videos, various on-foot photos. So I'll put a link in the description for all that if you need it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Nothing like the old school. Wake up in the I see no